evidence of what your grace can do to a generation struggling to find themselves in you. May they come to know the love of God. May their eyes be made to see. Give me the opportunity to share the truth that sets them free. And may unity in all things be the banner of your church. And let reviver's fire begin to burn, begin to burn. This is my prayer, give that to you, knowing you care even more than I do. This is my prayer, if that is your name, your will be done.